Combining conda environment.yml with pip requirements.txt. I work with conda environments and need some pip packages as well, for example precompiled wheels from Gawk. At the moment I have two files, environment.yml for conda with and requirements.txt for pip, which can be used after activating above conda environment. Is there a possibility to combine them in one file, for conda?
Pip dependencies can be included in the environment.yml file like this, docs. It also works for .whl files in the same directory, see Dengar's answer, as well as with common pip packages.
One can also use the requirements.txt directly in the YAML. For example, basically, any option you can run with pip install you can run in a YAML. See the advanced pip example for a showcase of other capabilities. Important note: a previous version of this answer, and conda's advanced pip example, used a substandard file URI syntax. Pip v21.2.1 introduced stricter behavior for URI parsing and no longer supports this. See this answer for details.
Just want to add that adding a wheel in the directory also works. I was getting this error when using the entire URL. Ended up downloading the wheel and saving it into the same directory as the YAML file.
If you want to do it automatically, it seems that if you do, already has the pip things you need. No need to run pip freeze is greater than requirements for pip.txt separately for me or included as a. As another answer has mentioned, see my YAML file. Note that at the time of this writing doing conda end create file environment.yml to create the YML end results in an error.
Full tools for error. Also, there's special screen.